Welcome. In this video I'll show how to restore deleted files on Android. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Files app. Now open the side panel by tapping at this little hamburger icon and go to Trash. Here select what deleted files you would like to restore. Once everything that you'd like to selected, look at the bottom left corner of the display and press the Restore button. Now tap on Restore Files once again, and that's it. Your deleted files have been restored or recovered successfully. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye.